This mantis has never lost a fight. Until today. 200 fire ants are about to notice her. One scout is all it takes to start a war. This is Tenodera Sinensis tolmens, an apex ambush predator. She has already made a fatal mistake. She was seen.
The scout's pheromone trail summons the entire colony.
She has fought ants before. Never 200 at once.
In the next 8 minutes, her perfect record ends.
Fire ant venom burns like nothing else in the insect world.
She shakes off the first attacker in an instant. For every ant she removes, 3 more take its place. The meal no longer matters. Survival does. They follow her scent trail up the stalk without hesitation.
She has nowhere higher left to climb.
Now the real fight for her life begins. Each strike can crush an ant in a fraction of a second. But she cannot strike in 3 directions at once. Dozens of stings begin to overwhelm her nervous system. What began as a meal is now a full-scale siege. Her last resort, Fenmond, a defensive display meant to startle. The sudden movement knocks several attackers loose.
200 ants do not scatter from one display.
Venom is beginning to affect her balance and control. In a last gamble, she launches into open air. The leap works fanned. She leaves the swarm behind her. In a last gamble, she launches into open air. The leap works panned. She leaves the swarm behind her. Now, finally, the odds are ones she can fight. She survived the swarm, but the venom is still working.
The colony has not given up on finding her.
She works quickly to clear the toxins from her joints.
One determined scout has already picked up her scent.
This time, it is 1 against 1 perv. Her terms.
The ant scout commits fully, unaware of what she has become. 1 strick. 1 ant. The tide has fully turned. The immediate threat has passed. She is still standing. Tenodera sinensis can reach over 4 inches in length.
She is the only insect able to turn her head this far.
Sharp spines lock prey in place the instant she strikes. A single fire ant colony can hold over 200,000 workers.
Their venom contains solenopsin, causing an intense burning sensation. Their venom contains solenopsin, causing an intense burning sensation.
This species can link together to survive flooding rains.
Ambush predator versus colony defender, Besplat, an ancient rivalry.
She relocates to a stalk far from the colony's reach.
Her eyes hold thousands of lenses, tracking motion instantly.
The ant colony returns to routine foraging within the hour.
Small marks remain affinity, reminders of how close it came.
Her instincts remain unshaken despite the ordeal.
One battle survived. Countless more still ahead of her. Two predators, sharing the same meadow, keeping their distance. As evening falls, the meadow settles into rhythm.
She faced 200 and found a way through.
Not through strength alone, through adaptation under pressure. Even the deadliest hunter must sometimes simply survive. This is survival Turtov, measured not in victory, but in endurance. Tomorrow, the meadow will test her again. She will answer.
In the smallest lives, the greatest resilience often hides.